Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something really special lined up. We are heading to the stunning Middleberg Pass.
Yeah, it's about 5.3 kilometers of dirt, which we're really looking forward to. And you'll find this pass about 200 k's north of Cape Town, but situated between Ceres and Citrusdal.
My boots are a little bit wet. This is Andre napping at the stop and go. Check. Oh my word, he's actually even snoring. We're at the top of Middleberg Pass at an altitude of 1071 meters. And this is our break, lunch break. My boots are a little bit wet. I may or may not have pee-peed on them.
It's a perfect opportunity to fly the drone, not much wind. I think it'll be quite nice scenery.
Yeah, go for it.
I have to wait for some satellites. Here we go.
How many satellites you got now? Oh, enough.
11. Oops.
your fingers to the bone. I know you can keep me warm. Don't you leave, it's getting cold. I got you and you got me. Don't be scared if we gon' be. Love and war the same thing. Yeah. Oh love, it's like I'm fading away. I want more, I want more. Oh love, I really want you to stay. I won't let you go. I want your body all night. 'Cause I love the way you make me feel. I want your body all night. We'll push it to the end.